How can a boat sailing into the wind sail faster than the wind? At first glance, this is illogical. Surely the wind would blow the boat downwind. In short, the explanation is that the sail steals momentum and energy from the wind to push the boat forwards. But how exactly? The answer lies in analysing the airflows caused by the sails. The sail's curved surface on the leeward side of the sail redirects airflow towards the stern of the boat due to the Coanda effect. The keel prevents the boat from being pushed downwind and from tipping over. Under the right conditions, the wake airflow turbulence can be seen behind the sails. At the trailing edge of the sail, the redirected airflow pushes against the oncoming wind, decelerating and creating turbulence. According to Newton's laws of motion, the backward force generated equals the reactive, equal, and opposite forward force. The physics of sailing is straightforward. This explanation is new. It is not taught at physics, engineering, or sailing school. That's it. Thanks for listening.